Do you think reflashing, reprogramming, or programming is required only for engine control or transmission modules? Well, think again. Lots of modules on a serial data bus, including those in ADAS with integrated sensors, often need to be programmed for a new model. Stay tuned to find out why reflashing or reprogramming is needed and what it accomplishes. First, let's talk about why reprogramming ADAS is necessary. Programming and recalibrating involves setting up modules with the necessary information to function and communicate with other systems in the vehicle. Modules communicate using a language that has grammar and protocols to make sure messages don't interfere with each other. For example, a module on an electric steering rack might instruct the engine control module to increase throttle angle because the driver is turning. Something like the ADAS camera module could be communicating with both the ABS module and the instrument cluster. When a module is talking or receiving signals from the network, the messages typically contain an identifier of which module is communicating. When a module is programmed on a vehicle, it begins teaching the module the configuration of modules and protocols. Information like the type of sensor, VIN number, and firmware are part of the reprogramming configuration. This is why just swapping some modules does not work. It's also why, after replacing a component connected to a network, additional procedures like reprogramming are required. Let's talk about what reprogramming actually does. To reflash and reprogram, you need to be able to communicate with not just the engine control module, but other vehicle modules as well. A pass-through programmer is an interface that translates messages between the PC and vehicle controller into a protocol understood by the vehicle. This device, typically a box or a cable, connects the PC to the vehicle through the OBD2 port, using specific pins to communicate. Most reflashing processes use 4 pins in the data link connector, DLC, that are accessible to the manufacturer. Some scan tools can perform some reprogramming procedures using a pass-through box, but lots of jobs will require a Windows-based PC. But you won't just be able to plug and play when it comes to flash reprogramming. Setting up the computer and registering the OEM sites will take some time. Reflashing and reprogramming ADAS is an important service for your customers. Remembering why it's needed and what it does can help you keep your customers safe and build trust with them. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.